Hey guys, this is Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Prosper, Texas, and we're doing a full Dolby Atmos media room.
Cool.
All right guys, so I got everything, staging everything here. We're doing full Klipsch system. We've got the RP-1600SW. It's their on-wall series. These come with stands, but we're gonna use this for the center channel. It's only about 2.5 inches thick. It'll mount perfectly under the screen. For the fronts, we've got the Pro 250 RPW LCRs. That's the reference premiere line. Will match the center channel perfectly. Going a step down, we're to fit into our customer's budget and still maintaining performance. Kind of staggered the speakers a little bit. We're going with the reference speakers, so the Pro 25 RW LCRs for the rears, and then for the ceilings, we're doing the DS180 CDTs, the designer series. All this is going to be powered by the new Integra DRX 3.4. We've got the Sony VPL XW5000 4K laser projector. And rounding out the base here, we've got the new RP-1600SW from Klipsch. This is their new 16-inch reference from your subwoofer. This thing rocks. So this room is going to be amazing. The entire room here, all the speakers, it is pre-wired. However, is wired to the front. Customer had a TV here. You can see the imprint in the carpet from the stand. They had a TV here until today. They moved that out. We're going to move that and mount that TV in another room. But we're going to rewire everything. It all comes out behind this wall plate here. We're going to rewire the entire room and wire it for this closet. So all the equipment is going to be in here. We are also dealers for Valencia seating now. So we've already had the Valencia seats. Customer had these custom made. This is a nice dark blue with blue stitching. A beautiful, beautiful pattern here. And already had these delivered to the customer. Let us know. These white glove delivery, these seats can be delivered right to your house. And we're also putting in new Control4 contemporary switches here, dimmers in midnight black. So it's going to round out this room real nicely. So we're going to be using the new Control4 Core Light bundle here. So this one is with the Halo remote. You can get this with the SR260 or with the Neo as well. Of course, we got our new Halo in here. Very nice new remote. This is the regular Halo. There is the Halo Touch as well, but this is just the regular hard button Halo. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and get this on the charger. Then we got the all-new Core Light. It's basically the Core 1 stripped down. So it only has one HDMI out and 3 IR or serial. So and 1 serial. So this has to be powered with normal high voltage electrical. You cannot do PoE like you can on the new one. There's only one Ethernet port. So we're going to have an Arachnus switch inside the closet. We're running new Ethernet down to the panel as well. So we're going to go and start getting this unboxed and programmed so that we can start knocking this out. All right, so I realized I haven't recorded in quite a while. We just been working. We actually have our 120-inch Severson Cinema White screen. This is the legacy frame with their Cinema White, which is basically the IMAX material they see in IMAX theaters. We've got the Pro 250 RPC LCRs right on the front left and right, and we're going to have the RP-1600D under the screen right there. We've got our 2 in-walls done, and we got our 2 in ceilings in as well, and we're putting the projector up. We're putting our cabinet together here, or closet together here. So we've got our Integra 3.4 AC Infinity fans. We got our Arachnus switch, and the Wi-Fi repeater, the customer provided Roku Ultra, Nintendo Switch, and of course AT&T box and Xbox 360. So we are going to start programming everything and install the switches, and we've got a mounted TV as well here. All right, so we're unboxing the RP-1600. As a reminder, you've seen our other videos, they actually package it upside down. The feet are on the bottom, so all you have to do is bring it to where you want and dump it over. And we're going to have it in this corner for right now. Pick it straight up. And there's the front of the sub. So this actually easily slides. As I hit myself in the head with the cardboard, you can see the way this is sitting right here. This is easy to just slide right off. So go ahead and get the foam off and get the sub hooked up. So we're finishing up here. I want to give you a quick overview of what we got. So coming into the room, we've got our 120-inch Sievertson Cinema widescreen. For speakers, we got the Klipsch Pro 250 RPWs, the RP640D. We've got the Pro 25 RWs. In the ceiling, we have the DS180 CDTs. So these are all the Pro line of the Klipsch speakers. We designed these to where most of the sound is going to come out of your front speakers, your front left, center, right, and then your subwoofer. So this is the Klipsch RP-1600SW, their new flagship subwoofer here. And you can go and take a step down for your rear and your height speakers if we're trying to meet a budget. In this case, customer wanted to go with the Sony VW 5000, get up into the laser native 4K projectors. So stepped up from the Epson 12,000, which was a great projector in its own right, but customer wanted to go up and get the Sony native 4K projector with all the advantages you have of that. So with the better picture quality, we were able to step down and get close to that by saving them some money on some speakers. For control, we are using Control4, and we've got the customer's going to touch up some paint because whoever painted the room did not take the wall plates off before they painted. So, of course, these are different sizes. We've got the new Control4 contemporary style adaptive phase dimmers. So you can hold this button down here and you can see that it is going to dim those. So it's going to be hard to see. So we'll turn those off. We can go bring them on and go up. Not sure how well it's going to come through on camera, but you just hold down for down and you can stop it at whatever point. So you just take your finger off and that's where it stops. You can have presets within the Control4 app or however you want to go. In the closet here, so everything was originally meant to be wired in the front. We did rewire the whole room so that it is all now back into this closet. So we've got our Integra DRX 3.4, our AC Infinity, our Control4. This is the new light controller meant for single room applications. Our subwoofer transmitter for the wireless subwoofer kit. Got our Arachnus 8-port switch. Customers got their own mesh system here, so we've got that here. We have a Roku Ultra, our Nintendo Switch, Xbox 360, their AT&T box, and then we have two extra HDMI cables up here for future purposes if they want to get a new game system or just plug in a laptop or anything like that. Of course, we have our watt box mounted salon here. These are great low profile surge protectors, very versatile. We keep these on the van. We can throw these into a rack because it comes with rack ears with different types of mounts for that as well, or we can just lay it in a cabinet or throw it up on the wall. So we've got that. Of course, we got them set up with the Valencia seats here. Nice blue with blue stitching. Very, very nice leather finish and the cool blue stitching here. And got them the carbon fiber look tray tables. So, of course, we are Valencia dealers. Anything you want, you just give us a call and we can take care of you on any of these products. We've got the new Control4 Halo remote. Pick this up here. We've got some custom buttons programmed in here. So you hit the ceiling and that will toggle the ceiling on and off. Just some simple controls for the customer. They don't have to get up. Of course, we've got sconces. So you hit that button and it will toggle the sconces on and off. And then we have all lights. So you tag that and it will toggle those on and off as well with a nice slow dim. So, of course, we can come here and watch. And from here, we've got our selection of all of our sources. So you can see here, HDMI 1, 2, Xbox, whatever we want to go to. We're going to go to the Roku. And of course, this does control our Roku. We're going to go and turn the lights off so that you can see a little better. So this has got a fantastic picture on this. We can come here and navigate to whatever we want to do. The Roku's integrate into Control4 very, very well and reliably. So we'll go ahead and pull a demo up so you can see. So hopefully this is going to come through on the camera here, but we're going to go ahead and show you some Dolby Atmos demo.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
Your vehicle inside the road.
Whoa! What is this place? Come on, you guys, let's go!
or captures the full extent
Do you want to know the secret?
of nature's fury.
Nice. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in a system like this, please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We're, of course, located in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. We're authorized dealers for all the products you see in our videos. So if you're interested in anything, just give us a call. We can help you out with full system design, sales, installation, the works. Look forward to getting that next video out. Thanks, guys.